Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and sell your crypto on Binance P2P market. Now to do this, the process is really simple, easy and quick. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. To trade on Binance, we'll simply open up the Binance application. Now once you are here, we'll go and access P2P market. I'll head over to wallets to see my assets. Here I will go and select buy, and on above you can see we have selected P2P market here. From here you can go and select the coin you want to sell. Let's just click on it, and here as you guys can see, you can search different coins here in the search bar. For example, here if we are selling USDT, we'll select this. Now here are different methods given to you guys. We will go to sell section, and now there are different options and offers given to you. We'll hit this one, for example here. Once you guys are here, you can go and check some details, enter the quantity you want to sell, and you can get the, for example here, if I just enter one, I'll see this details, and after that we'll head over here and select a payment method. After that, all the details, while checking all the details, we'll just go and place the order. Now Binance will hold your crypto in escrow until the transaction is complete. It will take some time and then your transaction would be completed. Well, that's it for today's video. This was a short tutorial how you can sell your crypto on P2P market on Binance. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.